stream. Okay, so today, you know what? I don't think I streamed on Thursday, but it doesn't matter because no one's watching. Okay, doesn't matter. All right, so first of all, I put the chat back in the stream window. So if you type something, it should show up in the top right corner, right? So that's a thing. All right, let me move this over so I can see it better. Okay. Now I should be able to see it without like straining my neck so much. Okay. All right. So today I'm going to mess around with the Twitch API. That's what I'm gonna do. I actually, this is probably the most I've ever prepared for a stream before. So hopefully it's good. I basically, what did I do? Let's see. So I think I created a new Rails app, which I should probably see if that works. Let's see if it works. Okay, what was I doing? Docker run. Okay, let's see. Okay, so it definitely didn't work. Oh man, it's not looking good. Okay, let me think about this. Maybe it's because I'm using Rails 3.1 or Ruby 3.1 with Rails 7. Not sure. Let me get rid of bundle exec here, and maybe it'll be a little better. Probably should have checked this before I started, but oh well. Now we're gonna debug Rails this whole stream. Okay. All right. So yeah, it definitely doesn't like something that I'm doing, which is just a new Rails thing. Let me do one more thing. Let me redo what I was doing, except not minimal, right? Let me do the whole thing, and maybe it'll be a little better. Oh wow, okay. Okay, well, never mind then. Let me change the Ruby version of the Docker container, and we'll just rerun it. Let's see here. Docker IO. Wait, is it Docker Ruby Slim? Is that what I'm doing? All right, I will eventually get to the Twitch API. Actually, you know what? I have the Twitch API running here. So I have the CLI running. Okay, let me not do 3. Actually, let's go to Git. Let's go to the source. Actually, let's debug this like I would normally instead of just trying to like sidestep stuff for the stream. 3.1.0, right? Rails crashes with Ruby 3. Okay, so it's not just me. All right. Okay, so let me think about this. Let's look at this. Already on main, 10 days ago. Please use the 7.0 stable branch for now. Rails 6.1. Could not load command. Hey, that's the same problem that I had. There it is. It's not just me. Alright, so let me let me redo the different Rails version here. I think I need to do let's see, blah blah blah. Release date is contributing. Weird comment. ETA this week, but that was yesterday. The people, it's 2 weeks of the year's vacation because you know they are people and need to rest. As Ruby was released in those 2 weeks, we'll have to wait. They can release a new version. 7.01 ETA. I knew I should use Radical for this. Oh, what am I gonna do? The primary features of our speed improvement. Okay. The people are just arguing. It's crazy. This is why I made my own. I appreciate it. Can be daunting. Blah blah blah. Okay, so let me change. Yeah, let me just change the Docker container version because I don't really care about Ruby 3.1.0 right now. I would rather just get this going. Let me see. 3. Oh, okay. So you have to say 3.0, right? So we'll change gem file. We'll change the gem file first. It'll be 3. What is it? 3.03 is the latest, right? Then this will be slim, or it'll be 303 slim. 303. Okay. All right, so let me do one more build here, and hopefully that will. Well, it's gonna take a while, but in the meantime, so what I want to do with Twitch is I wanted so Streamlabs has the little alerts that little zombie by default comes up when someone follows you or something. And I used to have those, but I got rid of them because I got I got a ton of bots, which not great. So I kind of got rid of it, but I think I have the bot thing under control now. I think Twitch does too. So I'm gonna bring that back, but I don't want to use Streamlabs. Really? I just want to use my own thing that I have. So that's what I'm gonna be doing today. Is making bots. Yeah, it's true. There's just a ton of bots. At least there were. All right, so I think that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna while this Docker container's building, I have to read this, but I think to make new events, I have to create event subscriptions or something. So I'm gonna do that with the CLI because I don't really care to wait for it to build, and I don't really want to build it into the thing because it's just gonna be for me, right? It's just gonna be for me. It's not gonna be for anyone else. Okay, let me see. Okay, so create event subscription. So I'm guessing I could do this with the CLI. It's a post, right? API. I think I can say event sub. What does that do? Not found. What about subscriptions? Also not found. Okay, let me do an actual URL. What does it say? What is Helix? I have no idea what that is. That must be some service. Okay, event sub subscriptions. Does that do anything? Not found. Oh, that's sad. Okay, let me create event sub subscription. Luckily, I already set up Twitch on the. How has Twitch made you a better programmer? Kotlin39, very into my Twitter. Yeah, it just helps me think through things, that I would normally just be, thinking to myself. But it's nice to, fix your problems out loud because it makes you think about things a little more thoroughly, I would say. That's how it has. So I think just hearing the problem out loud helps me be a better programmer. If I solve problems faster, everything's better. Oh, I just saw this here. They have an example in the docs here. Okay, so I think wait, what? I hope this isn't my actual secret. It doesn't seem like it, but whatever, it doesn't matter. Oh yeah, it's fake. Okay, so this is a callback.com, so this is gonna be... Does it really need to be SSL? Let's see, what are... Condition, transport, webhook, callback. Requires an app access token, which I have in the CLI. So I'm just gonna not do that. I'm just gonna say it'll probably give me an error. I don't care. Let me just go localhost webhooks, right? I'll just call it webhooks. Not user update type subscription types. Okay, so I think I'm just gonna do something really easy. Channel follow, right? Channel.follow. A specified channel receives a follow. It's pretty simple, right? Oh my gosh. tmux. Okay. So, condition. Is there a condition? Is it optional? Let's see. Condition. The parameter values for the subscription type. Channel subscribe. Channel follow condition. Oh, it is required. Broadcaster user ID. You know, they just had user ID in there. That's interesting. Broadcaster user ID is going to be me, right? Wait. Yeah, that's fine. It's interesting that they had just user ID in the example. I guess we're just going to do broadcaster, though. What is my user ID? There it is. From earlier. Okay. Get rid of that comma. Transport, localhost, 3000, webhooks. What is the secret for? Why is it there? Oh, that's the webhook secret. We'll just keep it what it was, but we'll just say secret. There we go. Oh my gosh. Oh, it does need to be HTTPS. Yeah, look at that. Okay, so and with a standard port. Well, I'm gonna need something like ngrok. Is that still a thing? Let me see. Oh, you know what? Let's look up at Twitch. It has something. Twitch. Webhook listener. Twitch CLI. Webhook listener. Because I know Stripe has one, but Twitch might not have one. Twitch event trigger subscribe. Localhost. The example uses SSL on localhost. 80. Okay, so I think if I use the mock stuff, I'm just gonna do this localhost. I'm just gonna do that. Okay, so it needs to be longer than that. Let me do secure random. Oh, that's nice. Man, ERB just got so much better with Rails 3.1. It's crazy, or Ruby 3.1. It's crazy. Secure random hex. We'll just do 11. Generate a random value. There we go. Looking pretty good. Okay, let me get rid of that set. The request body was not parsable. Attempted content type application JSON. Oh, right here. Okay, there it is. Nice. First try. I should probably stop ripping off Primogen. All right. Now that I have my webhook verification, let's go back over to the Docker container. And now that it has a different Ruby version, let me try it. It should be good. I shouldn't have to do anything. Ah, Rails 7 started. All right, let's look at it. Let's look at that sweet Rails. Dang it. Expose is clearly not working. P 3000, 3000. There we go. All right, let's try that one more time. Here we go, first try. All right, here we go. It's happening. Something's happening. Nice, nice. That's it. That's all it is. It just says Rails. It's perfect. All right, sweet. So the Rails is not crashing anymore. It's running inside of a Docker container. Everything is happening. Everything's coming together. Okay, so let me try to do like this mock thing, because I really want to send a webhook to it and just have it return a 404. Do I want it? Yeah, let me make a route real quick. Let's see. All right, here we go. Root. We'll just do home index, right? And then we'll make a quick controller. Home controller. And then that's just home controller, application controller, and index. We'll make a quick view. Home. Oops. Oh. It'd be nice if it was a directory. Home. Hello. Okay, there it is. Index. You know what? I think if I could just do ERB. I don't need to do HTML ERB. Let me do that, because Rubocop, Okay, so this should just say home, right? All right. And then here oh, there it is. It's working. Incredible. Amazing. You know what? Let's look at how much RAM it's using. All for the price of 77 megs of RAM. That's all you need just for a very simple application. 77 megs of RAM. We'll probably get up to 100 pretty quickly here. All right, so let me go back up to that thing. Okay. Wow, that was weird. That's strange. All right. Okay, so here is my sub, right? So how do I trigger it? That's the question. Okay. Oh, this music is something else. Man, that bass really dropped, you know? Okay, alright, let me see what's going on here. Okay, so I think testing web, okay, triggering. Let's try to trigger. Twigger? Let's try to twigger it. Twitch event trigger. We're gonna do not subscribe, follow. Drop gift grant. Is there not a follow? Wait. Subscribe. Follow? The following is a list? The sender's user ID from. Let's see. Trigger channels cheer. Okay, the following. Add reward. Cheer. Drops. Channel hype train. Poll event. Prediction. Subscription message event. Subscribe. Unban. Unsubscribe. How is follow not on here? Are you kidding me? Let me just try it. HTTP. Webhooks 3000. Webhooks. Okay, what did it just say? Channel. Okay, type. Oh, it is follow. Okay. So it sent. Okay, test from user. Okay, perfect. So it is. It did send me something. This is just Rails like freaking out because the route doesn't exist. All right, let's make it real quick. Let's do resources webhooks. Actually, let's just do resource webhook. Resource webhook. Only. Wait, what is it sending? Is it a? It's a get, right? Oh, it's a post webhooks. Okay, so it happened. All right, that's sweet. Okay, let me only post. Right, only create. What do I do? Resource webhooks? Yeah. Okay. And then we'll make a controller. Like always, webhooks controller. Okay. Webhooks controller. There we go. Def create. And this is just gonna return 200, right? I don't even know how to do that in Rails. Now that I think about it. Let's see. I think it's just like, is it respond to? No, it's not respond. It's is it just plain? That'd be nice, huh? 200. I think. Oh, let's just do head. Okay. Right there we go. Okay, so now let me try to do it just without the Twitch thing. Webhooks. Okay, that didn't work. V. Oh wow, that's a big stack trace. Rails root home app. Wow, this is pretty bad. I don't even know what is wrong with this. Maybe I'll just skip that. Oh, here we go. That's what I was looking for. Oh, can't verify. Of course. Of course. CSRF. What is it? Is it skip authenticity token still? Authenticity token, Rails 7. Alright. Skip before action. Verify authenticity token. If I think I can just say proc, right? Request. Can I do that? Format JSON. I think I could just say skip function. All right. Okay, so let me try that one more time. Did it? Oh, it returned a 200. Okay, cool. So let me do Rails return JSON. Man, it's so funny because I really should know this stuff, but oh, here we go. Render JSON. Render JSON. We'll just say status okay, right? Make sure it's working. There it is, status okay. All right, sweet. So now we're going to try the Twitch. We're gonna try Twitch one more time. All right, here we go. Okay, so it said status okay. Cool. I mean, nothing happened, but at least Twitch sent me, or like I faked a real webhook. Yeah, that's nice. Okay, so that's great. Only 20 minutes. Are you kidding? I set up a whole Docker container and everything. All right, so let me look at what this is probably I need to get this. Let's see. Type, channel, follow, version, condition, transport, cost. Interesting. Event, user ID, user login, username. So I need to find out what user just followed me. And I think that is in the event bit. So I want to I don't think Rails will parse the JSON, but I might be wrong. Let's just see it. Params maybe. I should do some debug thing, but who cares? Oh, it is parameters. Okay, so params. Yeah, let's just look at it. Actually, you know what? We can see it here. It's kind of hard to see, so I'm just gonna dump it into like a JSON formatter thing. Oh, you know what? We can pretty print it actually. Inspect, right? We can just do pp. There we go. Pretty print. That's what that stands for. Okay, let me try one more time. Let's see what it looks like. It didn't do anything. Okay, let me do. Can I do 2H on that? No, I can't do that. Can I say params event? Let's try that. Okay, that didn't fail me. Okay, sweet. I'm getting a little closer. So event, it's event username. All right, so that's pretty easy. Dig event username, but it's like user underscore name. Is that what it is? Man, they were really okay. So I now have the username, right? So what I really want to do is all I want to do is when I get a webhook, I just want to put it onto a page, and then in OBS I'm going to do like a browser source, and it's just going to have that page up, and then when a webhook comes in, it's going to reload the page. And I think that's okay with JavaScript. I think that should be good. I don't need like WebSockets or anything. I don't think so anyway. So let me oh, but now I need to respond to the webhook though, right? But I can probably, as long as it's a 200, it's probably okay, right? If I redirect, even if I redirect, the webhook probably is fine, right? If I say def show, right? And we'll say webhooks show.erb, and we will say oh, you know what? I need to save this somewhere. Actually, no, I'm going to send it. I'm going to do the stupidest thing and send it in the session as a flash message. We'll just do it in redirect. Redirect, show. Can I do that as a symbol? Probably. Username, right? And that's it. Just send it as a username. And then we'll say username flash notice. Right? Why is it saying that still? There we go. Okay. So now I should just be able to say h1 username, and that should work. I think that should work. Let me see. Localhost. No, the webhook coming in doesn't do anything to the. It's like redirecting doesn't even make any sense. I think I might actually need an action cable. Let me see, because like redirecting makes no sense. Let's see, render. But I think I did a minimal Rails app, so now I need to configure. I need to configure. Let's go back to status OK, right? We'll just say webhook received, right? Webhook received, right? There we go. I don't think it matters. I can just say head OK. And then, so like now that I have this, let me just make sure I do actually have it. Okay, let me do one more time here. What does it say? Test from user, perfect. Okay, now that I have this, I need to show this on the page, right? So now I do need action cable. Action cable, Rails minimal, like how do I get it going? You know, is it config? We're about to go into Rails internals right now. There's probably some config thing. Yes, railtie. Action cable engine. Okay, so I feel like that should be it. I'll just restart it just for good measure. No, that's not what I wanted. Action cable overview. Edge guides. What is action cable? Blah, blah, blah. Okay, so let me, oh, is there add action cable to existing Rails app? Rails, okay. Maybe that's why they gave it to you in the docs. Module action cable connection. Okay, I don't have any users, but I could have users. Let me, I think if I just make a channels application cable. Oh, you know what? Maybe there's a way to do it with the, let me do Rails. Let me just do Rails and see what it says. Okay, Rails app. Well, it looks good. I don't even know. Not DB, that's for sure. Initializers, probably not. Let's see. Probably, let's just do app. Let's see what happens. App, what is app template? Let's look at that. Oh, geez. It doesn't exist. Oh, Rails app template. What does it do? Does it mess everything up? It's doing something. Oh, okay. App update. It's probably not what I wanted. Maybe I'll say help. Okay. Update configs and some other initially generated files. Update or use just update configs. I guess no one does like minimal stuff, so I'm kind of on my own here. Update configs. What if I just run it? App update. What does it do? Let's see, we're gonna find out. Okay, it does nothing. No. Okay, we're just gonna cancel that. Let's look at config boot. Config boot, okay. So I have the action cable engine rail tie, right? Connections are instances of which extends connection base. In application cable connection, you authorize connection proceed if the user can be identified. Do I need a user, or does it not matter? Let's do channels. Let's see. Maybe I set Rails minimal adding action cable. Don't tell me I have to redo. I have to re-add action cable, right? Optional loading. I'm guessing I don't really want to regenerate the Rails app, so that's something I really want to do. But yeah, maybe. Let's look. Medium, classic. Okay, I think oh, you know what? Maybe if I generate if I just generate a channel, right? Maybe it'll be smart enough to do the thing I want it to do. Let's try that. Rails G channel. I don't know. What is webhooks? Webhooks channel? Do it, Rails. Do it. Hey, I did it. All right, sweet. So I don't have to do anything. That's nice. Man, Rails is pretty nice. I'm not gonna lie to you. Does a lot of stuff. Okay, here we go. So here's a channel. Here's a connection, and here's the webhooks channel, right? Stream from webhooks, right? And then I don't really care what happens on unsubscribe. Okay, so now I think I can use this channel, and when I get a webhook, I can subscribe on that homepage with JavaScript, right? And I think I don't know if the CSP is like locked down or anything, so I'm just gonna put a script tag here. Type application JavaScript, right? And then I'm going to, what else am I gonna do? Oh, I think someone followed me. Thank you. I really appreciate it. That's what I'm trying to make. I'm trying to put the alerts on there. You followed me too fast. I couldn't. I couldn't get to it. Now no one can see. But once I finish this, then I should be able to see who's following live on the screen. All right. Let me see. Yeah, I hope that the bots haven't returned, because I'm not sure if I got rid of null inside or not. I think I did accidentally, so hopefully I'll get followed by it again. Yeah, that would stink. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna check something real quick. I hope I'm not getting follow botted. Oh, okay, no. Colin39. Thank you. I'm pretty sure that's who followed me. I had to check. Alright. Okay, so... Oh, it's already been half an hour. Alright, I'll go for 15 more minutes, see if I can get this message on the screen. Okay. So we're gonna say... First I'll do the channel, right? I'll say, whatever the channel is. Let's go back to action cable. Blah, 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 blah. Blah, blah. Last chat channel, appearance channel, just subscribed. Okay, we're gonna say, we're gonna need a message, right? Actually, you know what? Maybe I'll just, we'll just do one thing at a time. We'll just make sure that it's subscribed first from the client, and nothing's gonna happen, right? It's just gonna stay open and do the whole ping pong thing. That's it. That's all it's gonna do. I followed. I'm not a bot. Thank goodness. I have PTSD from all the follow botting that happened a few weeks ago. So now I'm like really like paranoid. Everything's follow botting all the time. It was pretty bad. It was like bling, bling. And that was before I separated the channels for audio on OBS. So like every time it followed, it was super loud. And I was like, wow, I really need to get this under control. It's definitely made me better at Twitch for sure. So I guess I can thank the follow botting people for running their bots. Yeah, I guess I could thanks for that. Okay, so we're gonna do I really need to do this? App JavaScript. App JavaScripts. Wait, where's my JavaScripts? What the heck? Okay, maybe I'll just do it in the script tag. Import. Can I do this in Safari? I have no idea. From there's no way. There's no way this works. What? Let's see. Let's try it. This is not gonna work. Whoops. Is it gonna load? Okay. Is it gonna fail horribly on page load? Probably. It is definitely. Oh, okay. So it did load. So that's good. So the script tag didn't totally. Import expects one argument. Didn't it get one argument though? Maybe there's a better way to do this. Let's look at this medium thing again. Okay. All right. It's looking good. It's looking like something. Oh, this person's using. Okay, let me go back over here. Full stack examples? It's possible. Okay, let me import from consumer. Okay, let me try import. I don't think I can do this though. You can generate new action cable provides the framework to deal. Let's look at the old version. Let's look at an older version. Is it gonna tell me V7 guides? Version, let's look at version 6. Let's look at version 6.0. No, not upgrading. Let's go to guides. Oh, here we go. Rail 6.0. All right. Wait, did they add dark mode on it? So weird. Okay, let me see. Action cable. There it is. Okay, it looks very similar, except somehow worse. Oh, it's the same thing. JavaScript, channels. Let's go to 5. There's got to be one with sprockets in here. 5. Let's do 5. Just 5.0. I think 5.0 had action cable, right? Did it not have action cable? Oh, there it is. Okay. Oh, this is what I'm talking about. Yes, exactly. No more importing. All right. So let me think about this. Import. So now I don't need to import anymore. I could just do this immediately invoked function expression. There we go. That's what I'm talking about. I think I do need sprockets though now. App assets JavaScript. JavaScripts. We'll say cable.js. I think I also need to activate the rail tie for that. I really want to do this in one stream, but I don't think it's gonna happen. Let's go initializers maybe. Wait, let's just look up rail tie. Rail tie application. Pick the frameworks. I have action cable. Do I have sprockets though? Let's see. Let's just try it. We'll just take that. Oh, you know what? Speaking of copying and pasting code, this happened today. I guess like it's kind of a security issue if you copy and paste code into your terminal. I don't know how like common that is, though. Where someone's trying to, like, really troll you with code snippets online. I feel like that doesn't usually happen. But maybe. In JavaScript, probably it does. Okay, so let me try this now. I don't think I have the... I don't think anything's going to happen with the assets because... Yeah, I don't think I do have style sheets, though. Okay, let me restart it. Okay, let's try it. What's happening? Yeah, it's definitely not doing that. So I need to find the thing that does assets. Load defaults, eager load pass. Boot, maybe? It's possible. Nope. Environment? Also possible. Nope. Initializer? Oh, assets. Okay, so config assets path, precompile application, and all already added. Oh, okay. All non.js and add assets path already added. Okay, that's fine. All right. I wonder why though. The cable thing isn't added. Oh, maybe because it needs to be application. No, I don't think so. Really shouldn't have started with a minimal one. Really should have started with sprockets. But it seems like sprockets is working for CSS, right? Maybe if I name it application.js, maybe it'll be a little nicer to me. Let's try this. Oh, you know what? This might just be a layout issue. Yeah. That would be nice. Is it JavaScript tag? Maybe. Is it? Let's see. Rails, JavaScript tag. I Google everything all the time. JavaScript helper. Is JavaScript tag. It's getting there. JavaScript. It's not JavaScript tag. JavaScript include. It's JavaScript include tag. JavaScript include tag application. Okay, so require self, require tree, right? What does CSS have? Require tree dot. Okay. Require tree dot then require self. Is that what it's saying? Require tree then require self. Okay, that's fine. Now it should work. Let's look at it. Man, the minimal version is really minimal. It doesn't even give you the JavaScript stuff. Oh, perfect. I'm getting somewhere. Require tree argument must be a directory. Cable is saying require tree channels. Oh, because channels is not in JavaScript, right? There we go. Okay, let's try that one more time. Now that channels exists, was not declared to be precompiled. Declare links to your assets in manifest. We'll get there. Link directory, JavaScripts, JS. Is it gonna pay? There it is. Nice. Good old sprockets. That's what I'm talking about. All right. So, okay. Now that I have that going, I can do, let's see, 845. I'll see if I can get Action Cable to actually subscribe. Let me see if I can do that. XHR other. Wait, what the heck? Okay, I guess like there is no WebSocket stuff, so let's see. Webhooks channel. Okay, so now that I have that, now that I have my channels going, and I should have the JavaScript should look like pretty good. Let's see. Yep. Oh, it has a ton of stuff in there, not just. Oh, there it is. Action cable create. Yes. Perfect. All right. What's next? This will ready a consumer that'll connect against that cable on your server by default. The connection will be astounding to you also at least one subscription. That is what I'm going to do right now. So JavaScript's cable. Is it cable? Require action cable self tree channels. I think I don't want to put it in cable. Maybe I do. Let's just I don't want to stray. JavaScript's cable. Is it really cable? Let me it should be channels, right? What else? Cable subscriptions. App cable subscriptions. Oh, okay, I see. So the channels are something different. Broadcasting subscriptions. Cable subscriptions. Oh wow, no, it actually is cable. That's interesting. I wonder. Now I can probably go back to the old, the new guide, right? Oh, I'm on the new guide already. Action cable. There it is. Let's see. Now what does it say here? Is it similar? Application cable connection. Do I have that? I do. It's good. By default, unhandled. That does not exist in mine. All right. Let's see. Report error. Oh, you know what? I don't even. That's fine. I don't need that. Let's see. Channels. Application cable channel. Do I have that? I do. Nice. Okay, so I have a channel. And I had channels, appearance channel. I have webhooks. Alright, so that's good. Client side, okay, I don't need to do that. Create consumer. Okay, I do have create consumer. Oh, okay, so this one, it doesn't want you to put it in cables, which was, I thought, was kind of strange. A consumer becomes a subscriber by creating a subscription to a given channel. Okay. So let me go to channels, and we'll call it webhooks channel, JS. And I don't want to put it there. I want to put it in webhooks channel. There we go. All right. So now I can say, I don't want to say import, I don't think, but whatever. What is consumer? What is that? Is that a thing? Maybe I do want to go back to the old docs. Import create consumer? I can try it. Yeah, I'm probably not gonna do that. Old docs, here I come. Rails 5.2. Let's try it. Maybe it's a little nicer. Let's look. Okay. Nope, it still has cable subscriptions. Let's just try to put it in webhooks channel. App.cable. .subscriptions. .create. Channel. This is going to be... Wait, what kind of a syntax? Oh, okay. This is CoffeeScript. I was like, what the heck is going on? There we go. Channel, and we will say, what's the channel called? Webhooks controller? Webhooks channel. Webhooks channel. Webhooks channel. Okay, and room is not going to be a thing. Okay, channel, appearance channel. Okay, so that, it looks okay. So let's see if that fails. I'm gonna laugh if this actually works in the end. Deprecation has been renamed to Action Cable. Please update your reference before Rails 8. Okay, let's see. What am I calling it? Application cable, app cable, right? Oh, I do have it already. It's in the thing, app cable. Perfect. So I already have Action Cable Create Consumer. Amazing. So subscriptions. Action Cable JS has been renamed. What? Oh, this, right? Let's try that. Okay. I did it, and before Rails 8 came out. All right. So let me see. There's nothing. Oh, there's cable. Here it is. Look at that. There it is under other. Thanks, Safari. All right, WebSocket. Oh, it got established. Look at that. Subscribe. It's subscribing over and over again for some reason. So that's good. That's actually not good now that I think about it. Why is it subscribing a bunch of times? Maybe it's because I'm in the channel, right? Maybe I don't want to be in the channel. Maybe I do want to be in some other thing. Maybe I'll just try it in application, right? Let me try it in that, and let me see if it stops resubscribing every 2 seconds. It should just subscribe once. Command subscribe. No, it's definitely still subscribing like a million times. Not great. Not great. Not exactly what I was thinking was gonna happen here, but okay. Okay, not sure what to do here. Let's look. Subscriptions, create, stream, subscribe, stream from. Subscribed. Okay, let me try to do something. I should be able to broadcast back when it subscribes to me, like it's subscribing a million times. So stream from, and then let's just go for it. Just whole hog here. Webhooks controller, and I should be able to say after it gets created, I should be able to say. I don't even need that show anymore. That was a dirty hack. Okay, so I think it should be a webhooks channel. Broadcast 2. I definitely don't want models. I definitely want whatever the stream from thing I did was, right? Oh, you know what? This might be because I'm streaming to a static string. Stream from webhooks. Because it seems like there's always some kind of parameter. But I think... Yeah, I don't really care. Let's just see if it works. Alright, webhooks controller, broadcast 2, webhooks. Right? That's probably gonna work. Let's see. Action cable started up. Okay. I'm gonna send my webhook. It's too busy. Oh. It doesn't like that. Webhooks channel. Maybe I can't. What's the? It'd be nice if I could see the error. Not like in HTML. Oh, let's look at the, okay, what does it say here? Wrong number of arguments given. 1, expected 2. Broadcast 2. Whoops. Broadcast. Broadcasting. Do I have to say broadcast to channel? Maybe I need to look at the API for this. Maybe I should look at the code. Let's see. What are streams? Maybe broadcast stream from. They would subscribe to a broadcasting like. Okay. Broadcast to takes 2 parameters. What are the parameters? Oh, okay, here we go. This looks better. I'll just call a method on the webhooks channel, right? Called broadcast. And then it's gonna say there's gonna be a username. And then it's gonna say webhooks. Username. Let's see. And then in the controller, 8:50. Oh my goodness, I have 4 minutes left. Hopefully I can do something here. Instead of that, we'll just say broadcast. And then this will say username. Let's give it a shot. Hopefully it's not too busy subscribing over and over again. And I can actually see my message come through. No. I don't know how methods. Oh. Not instance method, class method. There we go. Okay, so it's still failing in broadcast. Action cable server broadcast webhooks username. Didn't I just give it 2 though, right? Okay, let's try one more time here. Oh my goodness. Okay, wrong number of arguments. Cool. It's great. Unrelated, but it's nice that they show you the allocations per request. That's pretty cool. It kind of actually stopped, right? Oh, there we go. Subscribe. Identifier. It just keeps subscribing. Definitely not great. Okay, let's look at this medium thing again. Connected. Connect to the room. Stream from. Channels, webhooks channel. Cable. I'm assuming if I take this away, it won't keep subscribing. It won't do anything, right? Okay. So at least it stopped subscribing like 1,000,000 times. Okay. Let's open 3 panels because that's how cool I am. Okay, so stream from webhooks. That looks okay. Self-broadcast looks alright too. Oh, there's full stack examples. Okay, let's look at that. Subscribed, unsubscribed. Okay. Create. Subscriptions create. Webhooks. Oh, you can actually give it just a string. Let's try that. And then what's the next argument? Connected is a function. Okay. And then we could just say console.log connected. Oh, right. We'll just. This needs to be a thing. Why are these things in CoffeeScript? It wasn't that long ago, I guess. Like Rails 5, just like a few years ago, they're still doing CoffeeScript. Okay, so it's definitely still subscribing over and over again. Let's see. I don't even think it was saying the console, right? Isn't even saying connected. Cool. I wanna have kids of my own, yeah. Live a life till it's over. But until we do, it's sleeping too long. I wonder if I should just poll, right? Instead of webhooks. I can do that. I mean, I went through all the trouble of setting up this JavaScript, right? I could just say, yeah, what would I do if I was polling? I really gotta debug this webhook thing. Or this channel thing is action cable thing. Yeah, I wonder if I... Oh, you know what? I bet you... Yeah, I don't really have a database. Maybe I should. And I can just insert it in the database and pull. Or I could pull the flash. I can pull the session. Let me see. And I could pull show. I could just say fetch this, then response. And then I'm gonna say res text. Then how would I do it? No. Wait. No, that does make sense actually. Let me go to home controller. If flash notice, render JSON. Wait, I think if I just refresh the page, let's try that. I don't even need to do that. Let's just do window location reload. Set timeout. Whatever. Let's do it every 5 seconds. I'm gonna come back to this, but I'm just gonna work my way up to the JavaScript thing. I think just setting an instance variable will work. Username equals flash notice. Let's do if username equals end. That song was pretty intense. Username equals username. Yeah, we'll just say username equals flash notice. It's confusing. No, that sucks. Yeah, there we go. There. Empty then? Here, we'll just set it. Because, I mean, it'll be nil otherwise, right? Okay, so that should set it for one request, then it should go away on the second reload. So at the first 5 second mark, it should show something. The next 5 second mark, it won't show anything, right? Okay. Let me see. So in home index, I should say username, right? Username. You know what? I don't even have to do that in the controller, but that's fine. I'll just say username. Yeah, maybe I'll just say if flash notice. Oh, let's say username. Because I'm refreshing the whole page, so I don't really need a controller for that. Username. There we go. That's a skinny controller if I've ever seen one. Okay, 904. All right, let's try it. Just polling. Okay, so I think it is doing it. I think it is refreshing. Yeah, it is refreshing. Okay, perfect. Okay, so I'm gonna send this one more time. Okay, so nothing happened. That's great. Exactly what I wanted to see. Let me... What was the webhooks controller? Whoops. Webhooks controller. Okay, I'm definitely setting the flash though, right? That's username, and then in home controller, I will say flash notice. Is it like peak or something? I don't know. It's something stupid. Let me just see it. Okay, so, and we'll do one here. Okay, so I see it in the console, but then I don't see it again, right? Oh, Flash isn't as cool as I thought it was gonna be. I can just put it in the session, I guess, right? Session notice? Session? That should work, right? Okay, let me do, okay, it's definitely not showing up. Okay, well, that stinks. Wait, let me just make sure here. Put session puts. I mean, I feel like Rails gives you a session just because, right? I mean, I can check the cookies. Let me see. Local storage, local forage. Cool. Great. Horizon web. What the heck is going on, man? I'm getting hacked left and right. Okay, so. Okay, I should look at this local storage stuff. I don't know if I like that. So there is a session, right? Okay. So nothing between the let's username. I mean, I should at least see the username, right? Oh, puts. That'd be nice if I did that. Let's try one more time here. Okay, so I see it there twice. So it is in the session, right? But it's not here. Interesting. Whoops, hello. Yep, still not doing what I thought. Okay, maybe the polling's not gonna work. Let me, I guess I can make a database and do all that stuff. Let me do that. Because I'm gonna need one anyway, right? We'll just create a webhook model and we'll just say username, right? We will just say username, just one text field. And then I will be able to, all my, we'll just say webhook, order, created at, now we'll do created at sending first. And we'll say username. Yep, still polling, right? Let me stop polling. Okay, let me see. So username. Okay, so webhook doesn't exist. That is correct. Rails G model webhook. All right. Oh, I forgot the username column. We'll just put it in the migration. Okay. Whoops. Hello. Not what I wanted to do. Migrate. Create webhooks. This is going to be a string username. Okay. Migrate that thing. I should use the migrate button. What am I thinking? Oh well. Old habits die hard, you know. Alright. Home controller. First username. Home index is username. Okay, webhooks. Controller. So I created a webhook with username, right? I should be able to see all this in the logs, so I'm not super worried about it, but go back to my JavaScript, right? Application. so that's good. We will start the polling process. I'm gonna send one over, right? And then it should have a name there. Oh, for nil, right? All right, so it does have a name. Okay, so I wonder if I can change this name now, because actually, you know what? Let's just show them all instead of the first one. Then we could see. We'll just say webhooks. Webhooks. Right. The order's not really gonna matter, but sure. Let me see. Home index. We'll say webhooks. Webhooks each do webhook. And we will say username. We'll just put divs. Actually, we'll just put it in a UL for maximum old school HTML effect. li webhook username. Okay, so that should be okay. There's one there, right? So that's pretty good. It's actually working more like I thought it was gonna work. There we go. Let's make that bigger. Here we go. All right. My whole problem is I just need a database. That's it. So now what happens? It refreshes. There it is. Oh my goodness. The polling, the old school polling. Okay, let me change it down to 1 second because I don't even care about the server. Here we go. Let's see. Does it show up? Oh, it's number 3. Let's see. I knew I could do something in a stream. I knew I could do something. All right, so there's 4. I can keep going, but well, I'll do one more just to there we go, right? Nice. Okay, so this technically already works, and I could put this in Twitch now. I just have to actually, no, I just have to deploy it. But yeah, this could work. That's not bad. I could deploy it to Heroku for free. I mean, oh wait, but SQLite. Oh, but I actually use Postgres on Heroku. Anyway, all right, so that's it. That's it for the stream. I did the thing that I said I was gonna do. I didn't deploy it, but what are you gonna do, right? So I think maybe next stream I'll get a little less ambitious and I'll just change it from like just terrible polling every second, which I think it's still polling actually. Let's do another one. There it is. Next? Yeah. Nice. Okay. All right. So I think next time I'm going to I'm gonna move from polling as like location reload to just like JavaScript polling, and then from JavaScript polling with like Ajax, I'm gonna move from that. But why though? Yeah, I don't know. I'll just move from JavaScript polling to actually use Action Cable and like stream things through a WebSocket. But then again, like the polling's, it's honestly, it's pretty good. Like if it was just Ajax polling, yeah, that's next stream though. And then maybe if I get that working real quick, I can deploy it somewhere and with Docu or something and a VPS, and hopefully I can get it going. And I can put it in Twitch just terribly, just like username. That's it. No little icon or anything. Just username. All right, pretty sweet though. I'm pretty excited about this. All right, that's it. Thanks for watching. I will be back on Thursday, maybe, as always. See ya.